everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. Today is another day. I have another amazing thing to share with you, and this thing is going to be how to make your own cream at home. And this cream is for a natural skin, a darker skin, a chocolate skin. If you are the type that fall into this category, this cream is perfectly for you. So if you want to know how to mix this cream together to get a chocolate color, to maintain your skin, to have a glowing skin, a shining skin, so do continue watching. If you know you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see. And also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Thank you, and let's jump into it. So guys, the first ingredient will be shea butter. This is shea butter, and we'll be needing the second ingredient I'm gonna use. This is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I will need my coconut oil. I will need my jasmine oil. I will need my jojoba oil and my lavender oil and my sandalwood oil. I'm gonna need all this oil, and of course my carrot oil. So I will show you how to make a carrot oil, which I've done it already. So I'm just gonna put a link below so that you can watch out for the carrot oil, how I make my carrot oil. So I'm gonna drop the link below so that you can follow the instruction. So we will need my jug, what I'm gonna put the cream. So I'm gonna need my plate, which I will use to melt the shea butter. So I'm gonna need my shea butter. So I'm just gonna scoop like 2 spoons or 3 spoons of shea butter. I'm gonna drop it inside the plates. So I'm using 3 spoons of shea butter. I'm gonna need my olive oil. So you just remove this. So my olive oil, I'm gonna add like a spoon of olive oil. And the next thing will be my coconut oil. So I'm gonna add my coconut oil, 1 spoon, 2 spoons, and 3 spoons. So I will add my sandalwood essential oil. So I'm just gonna drop a little, 1, 2, 3 drops of sandalwood, and my lavender oil. I'm gonna drop also like 4 of my lavender oil, 4 drops. My jojoba oil, I'm just gonna drop a little bit of jojoba oil. I'm gonna drop my jasmine oil, a little bit of jasmine oil. So I'm gonna drop my carrot oil also, a little bit of carrot oil. So we are gonna melt this together. So I'm just gonna drop it inside my double boiler, which I have boiled water already. So I'll make the shea butter to dissolve, then we come back to it. So guys, as you can see, it's melted. So I'm gonna put it inside freezer for 5 to 6 minutes. So I'll bring it out. So guys, this is how the cream is. So I'm gonna use my hand mixer. So I'm just gonna mix it up to see how it's gonna look. So guys, you see it's creamy. So I'm just gonna mix it very well to get the consistency. So this cream will be creamy after mixing it. So you apply it on your skin, on your hair, you apply it on your full skin, and you will see the difference. So guys, my cream is ready to use. So I'm just gonna transfer it into my container, this container. So I will transfer it into my container. Just see how it looks. It's fluffy. So your cream is ready. So look at the cream. So you apply this cream on your body, your hair. As you can see how it looks. This cream will moisturize your skin. This cream will moisturize your skin, and it will smooth your skin, give you a soft skin. And you can use this cream on your hair. And if you have a dark color, this cream is perfect for you. And if you have a chocolate color, it's also perfect for you. But this cream is not going to whiten you. It's just going to maintain your skin and make your skin smooth and soft. So if you have a dry skin, this cream is also good for you. And you can apply this cream anytime you feel like morning. You can take it as a daily cream. This is perfect because of the shea butter and the olive oil and coconut oil. It will moisturize your skin. It will make your skin smooth and soft, and it will give you a so this cream is perfect for you. So try this way and you will come out with a creamy color like this. So and you are good to go. This cream can last for like a month, 2 months. So you can keep it for 1 month or 2 months. So you can ready to use it. So that is the end of this video. If you know this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you know this video was useful and helpful to you, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And also share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. Drop a comment below. I am happy to reply to all your messages, and also check out others of my videos. Thank you. If you are new, you are most welcome. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you. Bye.